I call it, do you believe what you see? So how many of us just take things at face value? Like we see a moon and we say, okay, it's artificial satellite or natural satellite. Or we see something and we see aliens and we say, no, it's not true. So how many of us, see the truth behind the false? And we don't wonder, we take things at face value, and I'm here to clear that. And it's very simple. I've written the false things, I've written the truth, and then I've written my logic. Okay, the first, the moon. Okay, it's a natural satellite, that's false. It was visited for the last time by Apollo, false. Barren, lifeless, false. It's uninhabited, false. Okay, now I know you guys are like holding on, so okay. Now this is the truth. Now that's Star Trek and they visited it. Okay, first of all, it's an artificial satellite. It's a source of fuel for intergalactic transport. It's very much inhabited, and normal flights to outer reaches of the solar system are carried out. And this is the logic. Come on, guys. If man in the 70s could send people to the moon, and it's just I can't just understand. There are people in the moon, man, right now. After one half of the moon, what's dark side of the moon? It's unexplored. Actually, there are people there, let me tell you. And this is Star Trek's Voyager. When humanity can think of sending people to the Mars, then why can't we obviously have people on the moon? So the moon is a big controversy, and this is a big one. This milk, okay, what's false about it? It's good for health, false. You should drink it every day, false. Health growth, false. Blah 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 blah. All doctors will tell you what's true. I'll tell you what's true. Okay. Okay. This is possibly the world's largest played out conspiracy. All these qualities of milk are utilized only as a child, and there's no proven study which says it's good for elders. And we still waste billions and billions and billions on our Dudwala Bhaiya. I know one plain logic. Which other animal in this, not in this audience, but which other animal can you name, vertebrate, invertebrate, blah blah blah, who drinks milk in full knowledge when they are elders? Can any one of you name? Tell me which of this happens? The left, the middle, okay, right. Do you see this tiger drinking milk? Like, there's a tiger out of Dudwala Bhaiya for the morning, what does it know? Honeybee has, no, it doesn't. So obviously guys, milk is false. Okay, ET now, you guys must have heard of it. False, they may exist. False, they are simple life forms. False, they are primordial. False, humans are still to make contact. False, 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 false. Till the next time. So, okay, this is the truth. Humans are already in contact. They are extremely advanced, both biologically and technologically. They are very imminent threat to humanity, and multiple contact points on Earth and Moon. They exist. Now, you guys will be thinking I'm crazy already, but let me tell you the reason. See, we are a part of Pandora's box called universe, and we still believe that we are alone. Now, who are stupid? I don't know. I think I'm smart, so I think others are stupid. But then this is what I feel. And see, this guy is so happy. He's taking pictures of the aliens, and I'll tell you I got this from a real source. So just for scale, the universe was beside the Earth. We would not be able to even find the Earth by a microscope. And then, we still believe that we are alone. And this is the last thing, it's media. False. Everything what the media tells us. Every large event has been politically or nationally motivated by the media. It informs us about what's happening to the world. The media please read it. Okay. The truth is the media is essentially the one body, which has dictated the functioning of the world. Every major historical event has a media connection. Anything you can think of, the Indo-Pak War, see, Bloomberg, Times, Daily Mirror, all are junk. Don't read Times of India, it's all false. From the reading of newspaper, everything is false, guys. Essentially, that's what I want to say. That, whatever you see, don't believe it. Everything you see is essentially false. So, today night when you see the moon, just think of the people who are going, to Pluto from there. So, don't think that and this is my logic to the media. See, every time we buy something, just because we stay there. Why do we even have aqua in our body, guys? It's all false. You drink water from Niti River, you still live a long life. So, okay, this is essentially like summing up everything. Every war, every event is essentially, media ki maya. So that's about it. Thank you.